do this thing.
Let's dance. Hello, everybody.
Give him some sexy elbow.
It's Wednesday. It's time. We're here. We have cheese. He has wine.
I do. I have wine.
We have sassy attitudes and opinions about the current political climate vote. Let's just jump into cheese, huh?
Let's just talk about cheese.
I have a classic, and this looks new. Is this new for you?
Wine?
Yeah.
Sort of.
Sort of-ish?
Sort of-ish, yeah.
Okay.
You know, weird paradigm at the DABC, but cheese.
If you're into cheese, you know Camembert. You love Camembert. Maybe you don't love Camembert, but this would be the time to maybe revisit Camembert if you were feeling ever so inclined. This is a very, very traditional, beloved cow's milk cheese from Normandy that is savory, and not in like a umami fishy way, but in one that is like toasted, roasted garlic and sauteed vegetables. And we had some of this last night at a beer tasting, and it just sings and screams garlic to me, and it's been really, really nice. But it's because of the mold that they use to ripen this cheese. A lot of the more mild soft ripened cheeses are sprayed with Penicillium candidum, P. candidum. This one is Penicillium camemberti. P. camemberti gives you these funky, fresh flavors, but this also very decadent, luscious, juicy, spongy paste that can be baked in pastry crust.
Delicious.
It is
so good.
Unreal. But you can also just bake it as is without any puff pastry. What I would do if you were that kind of person is put full cloves of garlic straight into it, drizzle it with olive oil, maybe some wine, and then bakey, and then dippy, because it is...
Maybe some wine?
Okay, lots of wine. But do you want to drink the wine, or I would. I'm not your mother. You're a fully formed adult. If you're watching these, I hope, but you get to choose.
That garlic thing sounds like some serious mad genius.
It's the best.
Does it like fry the garlic cloves?
So it gets like super crispy on top, but they kind of get all juicy on the interior, and if it absorbs some of the wine, it's like the loveliest little like juxtaposing textural snack to the end of this. So get your garlic on. I mean, we're not getting close enough to like kiss people yet. I'm gonna kiss all of you very soon, but not today. So while you still have social distance in your back pocket, eat all of the garlicky things. And then you have to stop, or you have to just be okay with people being like, she smells all the time.
I say embrace the reek. You know, if you can enjoy your own natural funk, then go away. Be gone.
You heard it here first. Okay.
Enjoy your own natural funk. Enjoy your cheese. Enjoy your garlic. Breathe on people. Invite them to eat it with you, so you can revel and marinate in your own stench.
Don't breathe on people just yet. Give it a couple months.
Yeah.
In a couple months, breathe on whomever, I think. I mean, within reason. Maybe not a stranger, but offer them cheese instead. Offer them Camembert.
If you're hunkered down, socially distancing with somebody, both of you eat garlic. That way you can both enjoy it. That's a gorgeous cheese, and it's in great shape.
Really, really, really great right now.
Bravo to Antonia for bringing that up.
Yeah.
Golf clap.
Killing the game.
It does. It smells like garlic and onions and alliums and all sorts of delicious things. And the paste is kind of clingy to the mouth in a really lovely way. And then as you breathe, you get the retro sinus nasal cavities all filled up. And then I decided to pick a Spanish wine today. This little gem is called Ultreia Saint Jacques. And it is from a bizarre little corner of Spain called Bierzo, and it's from a grape called Mencia. It's got a couple other things in it, some Portuguese varieties like Bastardo, Loureira, and Bonarda. But this one will check all your nerd boxes, and by nerd boxes I mean biodynamic farming, minimal intervention in the winery, minimal effective sulfurate bottling, and it's unfiltered, and it's unfined, and it's funky, and the winemaker is awesome. He's about this tall, and he has a beard that's about half his body length. He looks like a little garden gnome. And he makes gorgeous, earthy, expressive, rich, beautiful, gorgeous wines. This is about $20, and I need your help because it's only at 2 stores. So take a picture of this and go pester your friendly neighborhood wine store and ask them to bring it on before the DBC does something stupid like delist it. It's these kind of wines that need your help more than ever. These little tiny artisanal wines, if you love them, support them, and go ask your friendly store managers to bring them in, because right now, the DBC is on a hot tear to Walmartize the system and make it very generic and boring. So let's do our best to fight against that and order lovely little wines like the Ultreia Saint Jacques. And it is a lovely complement to that. This is a corner of Spain where lots of goat cheese, lots of sheep cheese, lots of smelly cheese, basically. And to say that this wine complements that is an understatement. These two make sweet, sweet magic together, because that's got some funk and paste and sticks to your mouth. And this has acid and intensity and richness. And it feels like somebody dumped a black fruit compote over this. And it's a delightful compliment.
That's it. That's how we feel. If there's any question, we are still wearing masks for the Caputos. Don't come in here without a mask, or we're going to have an awkward conversation, and then everybody feels like a jerk. Don't make us feel like jerks. Don't be a jerk yourself. We love you a lot.
I only took my mask off for the video, and I'm putting it right back on after, so keep your damn mask on and respect people's space.
We love you. That's why.
We do.
And we love them. They're not all fully vaccinated. Our friendly neighborhood cheese folk, I think, are a really, really important part of our local food community. And if you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for them.
Do it. They're essential workers. Do it for them.
Mm-hmm. We love you. We'll see you next week. Eat the garlicky things. Time is running out. We'll see you later.
Cheers.
Bye.